In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an AI chatbot to a web chat widget in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a branded conversational widget powered by your AI agent with clear messaging and a polished look that fits your site. Start in your GoHighLevel dashboard and open Sites. This is where all your website and funnel tools live. From there, choose Chat Widget to access the builder. Create a fresh widget by clicking New. When prompted, select Voice AI so the widget is powered by your AI assistant, rather than just a basic form. This ensures visitors get instant, intelligent responses. Next, open the Agent section. Here, you're connecting and configuring the AI that will handle conversations. Update the Voice AI agent name to something your visitors will recognize and trust. Keep it short, on-brand, and descriptive. Then, edit the description. Use one or two friendly sentences that set expectations, such as what the assistant can help with and the types of questions it's best at. Clear guidance here helps drive better conversations and fewer drop-offs. Move into messaging. Open select language and choose the language your audience primarily uses. Picking the right language improves accuracy and makes the experience feel native to your visitors. Head to Chat Window to shape what people see. Under Title and Intro, tailor the headline and opening copy to be welcoming and specific. Update the chat window title with a helpful prompt that invites action. Then edit the button text to a simple, compelling call to action, like starting a chat or getting assistance. Keep it concise so users know exactly what will happen when they click. Open the additional options and add your URL link. Use this to point visitors to a key resource, such as a Help Center article, a booking page, or a relevant page that complements the chat flow. Adding a clear destination gives users an extra path if they prefer to self-serve. Now, switch to style. In Styles, edit the visual design so the widget matches your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, and any spacing or corner radius options for a cohesive look. Finally, open widget customization to refine additional elements of the widget experience, such as layout choices and other design or behavior settings available in your account. Aim for high contrast and readable text for accessibility, and make sure the design looks consistent on both desktop and mobile. As you fine-tune copy and styles, preview the widget in the builder to confirm everything reads naturally and aligns with your brand voice. That's it. You've connected your AI chatbot to a web chat widget in GoHighLevel and customized the messaging and design to welcome visitors and convert more conversations.